Ladies and gentlemen, Soapie lovers, and die-hard fans of Annekan, welcome to a week of shocking revelations, betrayals and drama that will keep you glued to your screens. If you've been following the show religiously, you know that things have been heating up, and this week is no exception. If, for some reason, you miss an episode, worry not. We've got you covered with all the juicy details. So sit back, grab your popcorn, and let's dive into the chaos of the Annekan family and the tangled web of lies surrounding them. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and support the channel by joining our membership or sending a super thanks. It all begins when Tolga, in what seemed like an innocent act, borrows Yasmin's laptop to complete his homework. But instead of just finishing an assignment, he stumbles upon something that leaves him completely stunned, a video that could change everything. His hands tremble as he replays it, the realization of what he has just seen sinking in. The contents of this video are so damaging that Tolga knows he holds a ticking time bomb in his hands. He must decide whether to expose this information or keep it hidden to protect those involved. Meanwhile, Gulten gains new leverage over Akif. She knows that this piece of information could finally bring him down, or give her the power she has always craved. She decides to use it strategically, ensuring that she maximizes its potential. Over at the Annekan household, Ayaz steps up to save Aybike from jail. Working closely with Asaye, he pulls every possible string to ensure Aybike's freedom. His determination and intelligence prove to be the key to preventing a legal disaster. Asaye begins to see Ayaz in a new light, but the truth he has been hiding looms large over their growing bond. Tolga, battling anxiety over his discovery, finally confides in a trusted friend. Knowing that he cannot handle this burden alone, he shares the video and its shocking contents. Together, they come up with a plan that will ensure justice is served without endangering themselves. Omer and Ogulkan take a difficult step, leaving school to work at a construction site. Their sacrifice is immense, but their commitment to their family leaves them with no other choice. Despite the harsh conditions, they push forward, proving their resilience and determination. Aybike makes a deal in a desperate attempt to save her home. The decision is risky, but she sees no other way out. She secures financial relief, but the strings attached to this arrangement are tighter than she anticipated. The consequences of her choice start unfolding almost immediately. Nebahat uncovers the true identity of their mysterious business partner. The revelation is shocking, shaking her trust and forcing her to reconsider her next move. The business deal she thought was secure now seems like a dangerous trap. Ayaz finally tells Asaye everything. The weight of his confession is immense, but he knows he cannot keep his secrets any longer. Asaye is overwhelmed, but realizes that understanding the truth is the only way to move forward. With this new knowledge, she shares Ayaz's confession with Aybike, who finds herself conflicted but begins to piece together the larger picture. Ayla reaches her breaking point and declares that she can no longer live with Gökhan. The emotional and psychological toll has become unbearable, and she makes the firm decision to walk away. This choice will change the course of her future, but she knows she cannot stay in a situation that drains her any longer. With so many explosive developments, this week of Annekan is a must-watch. Every storyline is reaching a boiling point, and the drama is at its peak. Thank you for tuning in. If you love the drama, the twists and the emotions, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and leave a comment with your thoughts. Support the channel by joining our membership or sending a super thanks. Stay tuned for more thrilling updates.